Welcome to the ISNaD tutorial series by Oscaria. In this opening module, we will get to know the whole platform, 4 paid products, 3 free tools, and how they all connect through a single account. The goal is simple, so you know which tool fits which task before moving on to the technical modules. A researcher typically juggles 5 or 6 different applications, from finding a journal to getting the manuscript published. ISNaD is designed to bring all of that work into one place. Let us be clear from the start. ISNaD is not a single application. It is one account that gives you 4 paid products and 3 free tools. Let us see how they connect by opening the Module Hub page. This is the gateway once you have signed in. You sign in once, then simply choose which module you want to work with that day. This concept is what separates ISNaD from a loose collection of standalone applications. The first product is ISNaD Biblio for bibliometric intelligence. This product is aimed at researchers who need to map the landscape of a field. You can import data from Scopus, Web of Science, BibTeX, RIS, or CSV. You can also search OpenAlex and PubMed directly without downloading any file. Inside, there are more than 23 analysis modules across 8 categories. To preview them without signing in, ISNaDBiblio provides its own dedicated showcase page. This page plays every module as a slide, complete with a screenshot and a short explanation. The 8 categories along the top act as filters, for example, the bibliometrics category. Or the citation category, if you want to go straight to the citation analysis modules. Its signature features are the ISNaD citation chain framework and an AI-powered bibliometric report with 30 sections. All results can be exported to Word, Excel, or a Prisma flow diagram. The second product is ISNaD Review for systematic literature reviews. Just like Biblio earlier, this product also has its own showcase page you can browse before subscribing. The difference from Biblio is worth understanding clearly. Biblio maps the landscape of a field, while Review runs the formal procedure of a systematic review. Its workflow has 7 sequential stages: import, screening, full text extraction, appraisal, synthesis, and export. Screening is assisted by active learning AI, complete with a recall curve and a stopping criterion. It also provides the Prisma 2020 diagram, risk of bias appraisal using the JBI approach, and team collaboration features. Notably, a dataset from Biblio can be imported directly to become a systematic review project. The third product is Journal Audit. Note that it's different. This product is not for article authors, but for journal managers, research offices, and accreditation assessors. The workflow has 4 steps: find the journal, pull records from OpenAlex, correct the data manually, then run the audit. The data is reconciled against Crossref, ROR, and the journal's own website. Results are presented across panels for publishing, visibility, self-citation, diversity, integrity, scope, and anomalies. The end product is a Word report ready to attach for CINTA, DOAJ, or Scopus submissions. The fourth product is JATS Editor. It sits at the very last stage, when a manuscript has been accepted and only needs to enter OJS. You upload a docx or PDF file, and the system converts it into JATS formatted XML. References are hyperlinked automatically through Crossref and DOI, complete with an interactive preview and an XML readiness audit. One thing to remember, JATS Editor lives at a separate address, namely jatseditor.oscaria.org.id. Its output is ready to upload into OJS without editing any XML by hand. Beyond the paid products, there are 3 free tools. The first is Journal Finder. You simply paste an abstract or a title, and the system finds matching Scopus Index journals. What sets it apart from similar tools is that its ranking is evidence-based. It shows the SJR quartile, the article processing charge status, and recently published similar articles as proof of fit. Its database covers more than 32,000 journals, and the tool is free, with no account required at all. The second free tool is Transcription and YouTube Finder. There are 3 entry points: find videos, transcribe a link, or upload your own audio file. Video search and pulling official YouTube captions work without an account. Automatic transcription uses the Whisper Large version 3 model, and that requires a free account. The output includes timestamps and can be exported as TXT and SRT files. This is the one tool on the platform that touches qualitative research, because your own interview and focus group recordings can be transcribed as well. The third free tool is Review Paper Skill. Its form differs from the others because this is a Codex plugin installed on your own computer. It simulates 5 independent reviewers, an editor, a methodologist, a field expert, a cross-disciplinary reader, and a devil's advocate. The output is an editorial decision, along with a prioritized revision roadmap. 2 important privacy points. The tool is read-only, so your manuscript is never altered. Your manuscript is also never sent to ISNaD servers, because the entire process runs on your own machine. Now, about pricing, and this part is often misunderstood. The principle is that you only pay for the products you actually use. Although there are 4 products, there are only 2 subscriptions, and they are independent of each other. The first subscription covers both ISNaD Biblio and ISNaD Review in a single plan. The second is specifically for journal audit, and subscribing to one does not affect the other. Both have free, Pro, and Pro Plus tiers, with discounts for 6-month and 12-month purchases. JATS Editor sits outside that scheme because it uses a one-time credit pack. Meanwhile, the 3 free tools carry no cost at all. To close, let us summarize the map of this tutorial series. The upcoming modules will cover ISNaD Biblio in depth, from uploading a dataset to advanced citation analysis. If you are just getting started, begin with Journal Finder because it requires no account whatsoever.
That concludes our introduction to the ISNaD platform. 1 account, 4 paid products, and 3 free tools. Start with the free ones if you are just exploring, then continue to the next module on uploading a dataset into ISNaD Biblio. See you there.